Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Talk guys. So today I'm going to show you how to add a song to your WhatsApp status or story. So let's dive into the video. So first thing we need to do is to use Instagram. Why? Because this is where we're going to be getting the song. So just take a picture or take one from your gallery. But for this situation, we'll take a photo of this keyboard right here. And now we're going to add a song just like that. Let's add in the title of the song, like so. And then simply click on save. On the upper right corner of the screen, press the three dots and then select save. And then once that's done, what we are going to do now is we're going to head over to WhatsApp and then simply go to your profile or to updates and then go to my status, click the arrow button and select the video or photo that you just saved from Instagram. From there on, click on the arrow button right here and click send. And now your status has a song in it, as you can see here on this video. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.